Welcome to this overview of the key concepts of service management. We'll be diving into the key concepts of service management, which is essential for understanding ITIL. Throughout this session, we will be using Happy Brains, a digital mental wellness platform focused on ethical and sustainable practices, as a basis for our examples. As you may recall, ITIL is a globally recognized best practice framework that guides organizations on how to effectively deliver IT service management. To truly grasp ITIL, it's essential to understand the concept of service management and its two core components, service and management. A service is a means of enabling value co-creation. The term value refers to the perceived benefits, usefulness, or importance of something. In other words, value is about the positive impact something has on someone or something. For instance, Happy Brains is a digital mental wellness platform that leverages the power of wearable devices, IoT, AI, and augmented reality to provide personalized and engaging mental health solutions. Value is achieved by removing more costs and risks than those imposed on the service consumer and by supporting more outcomes than the ones affected. This is how a value proposition is formulated, such as Happy Brains' subscription plan offering unlimited meditation sessions and personalized mental wellness recommendations whenever they need them wherever they are. Keep in mind that outcomes and outputs are not the same. While an outcome is the end result for a stakeholder, like a goal or an objective, an output is a deliverable of an activity. Outputs serve as evidence that an activity took place. For example, a Happy Brains talent acquisition representative calling the service desk because her laptop freezes expects the main outcome to be able to continue using her laptop without issues to fulfill her responsibilities. Multiple outputs, like the incident number, the communications between the user and the service desk, and confirmation of resolution, enable the outcome. Co-creation, on the other hand, is about the collaboration between stakeholders to create value. For instance, when you call a service desk with an incident or request, you must provide information to the service desk so they can effectively help you. This exchange of information between you and the service desk is essential for value co-creation. Stakeholders can be organizations or people. An organization is a person or group of people that has its own functions with responsibilities, authorities, and relationships to achieve its objectives. For example, Happy Brains has its own functions and objectives, with responsibilities to provide mental health solutions and relationships with its users, customers, and other stakeholders. There are multiple organizational stakeholders involved in service management, including service consumers, service providers, government, suppliers, and others. Among these stakeholders, we will focus on the service consumer and service provider. These two stakeholders form a service relationship. The coordination and management of activities performed by a service provider and service consumer to ensure the successful delivery of a service is service relationship management. For instance, Happy Brains' mental health solutions require the coordination and management of activities performed by Happy Brains and its users to ensure the successful delivery of the service. Service consumers have three key stakeholders: the user, the sponsor, and the customer. The user utilizes the service, the sponsor approves budgets for service consumption, and the customer represents the user to define requirements and ensures the service provides value. The requirements defined by the customer are divided into functional requirements, utility, and non-functional requirements, warranty. Utility is the functionality offered by a product or service to meet a particular need. Utility can be summarized as what the service does, and can be determined whether a service is fit for purpose. To have utility, a service must either support the performance of the consumer or remove constraints from the consumer. Many services do both, such as Happy Brains' mental health solutions that support the performance of its users by improving their mental wellness and remove constraints like not having to surf the web for an hour looking for a meditation plan. Warranty, on the other hand, can be summarized as how the service performs, and can be used to determine if it is fit for use. Warranty often relates to service levels aligned with the needs of service consumers. This may be based on a formal agreement, or it may be a marketing message or brand image. Warranty typically addresses areas such as the availability of the service, its capacity, levels of security, and continuity. A service may be said to provide acceptable assurance, or warranty, if all defined and agreed conditions are met. For example, Happy Brains' mental health solutions provide acceptable assurance to its users by ensuring high levels of security and continuity of service. Now let's discuss management, which involves controlling and allocating resources to achieve objectives. ITIL classifies resources into 4 dimensions: organizations and people, information and technology, partners and suppliers, and value streams and processes. Service providers combine these 4 dimensions to create products and services. These can be bundled as service offerings to address the needs of specific consumer groups, like an onboarding offering for Happy Brains' new hires that may include access to an application, provisioning of a laptop, and setting up their email accounts. In summary, service management is a set of organizational capabilities for co-creating value in the form of services. An example of this is Happy Brains' digital mental wellness platform that leverages the power of wearable devices, IoT, AI, and augmented reality to provide personalized and engaging mental health solutions. Understanding these key concepts will make the rest of your journey through ITIL a smooth and enriching experience. We hope you have enjoyed this summary of the key concepts of IT service management, and we look forward to continuing helping you with your ITIL journey. We truly appreciate your presence in today's session and hope you enjoyed the engaging and informative content. Please, don't hesitate to explore digitalethos.academy for more captivating concepts and enriching courses. We'd love to see you again.